Realme launched its new budget-friendly smartphone under P4 series in India called Realme P4 Lite. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme P4 Lite features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 563 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by 1.8 GHz octa-core Uni SoC T7250 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme P4 Lite sports a 13-megapixel main camera on the rear with f2.2 aperture, and at the front it has 5-megapixel selfie shooter under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6,300 mAh battery with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 based on Realme UI skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.2 by 76.6 by 7.94 millimeters, and it weighs around 201 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme P4 Lite has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 7,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 9,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from February 24th in beach gold, obsidian black, and sea blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme P4 Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.